Hi, welcome on this quick tutorial on how to use the Google Ads Transparency Center. It's the perfect way to look at what your competitors are doing on Google advertising properties. If you have a question, who is actually advertising on those properties, which kind of ads they're publishing, where are they publishing these ads? Well, you might actually find the answer you're looking for using this platform. So this is a quick review on how to use it, and yep, let's go. Does this work? I hope it works. Yay! All right, let's go. So Google Ads Transparency Center adds transparency for a safe and open internet. All right, cool. Here, the main thing you have to do is actually to look for your competitor right away. Let's look for, that was the example I had in mind actually for use case I had a few days ago, Pandora. All right, so the cool thing here is you can use, and this is the main tip actually about the platform, this is the main thing that will actually help you get the best usage of this platform, is you can either type your competitor name, which is a good way to find it, but usually it does not work that well. The best way to actually use this platform is to use your competitor website, and here you're gonna be way better. So here, for instance, I can type Panoramata.net and I'm gonna have a few ads, an example of their most recent ads. Cool thing also is you can filter by date, you can filter by country, you can also filter by platform. And here you're able to get a sense of which ads are they actually did they published on Google properties. I wouldn't trust that much the text ones because it doesn't really make sense. There are more here as examples, I'd say, but I'd very much trust the images and the video ones, given that you can, of course, look at the videos themselves and see what the videos looks like. So this is a good way to use this platform. The thing is, when you're doing this for all your competitors, it might take at the end of the day maybe 5, 6, 7, 10 minutes per competitor. If you're doing that every week and you have 10 competitors, then it's an hour and a half of your time spent just to know what your competitors are sending. And this is why, even if this is a great platform and free platform to use, wanted to introduce you to Panoramata, the best way to track your competitors. The good thing about this platform is it does not only track the ads on Google Display, but it would do the same work on the social ads, Meta, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, but also the emails, the SEO, the flows, the changes that they're making on their homepage, the new landing pages they're using, so you can get a complete overview of your competitors' marketing strategy, the changes that they're making, the proposition value that they're advertising, and get a sense as well of their content calendar, which is actually the best way to improve yours, find new ideas, and understand which kind of positioning you could take for you, and which opportunities you can take as well, of course. So I can actually go ahead and pick Pandora as an example. This is what the platform looks like for a very specific brand. Each tab here is going to give you access to different kind of data. Here, ads detected for the last 19 days. You can see that we have displays, Meta, and TikTok. And here, in one page, you have all the most recent ads detected for this very specific brand, right? So you have some Google display here on top, you have some Facebook here, you have also some Facebook and TikTok over there. You can see how much time did the ad remain active as well. So it's the perfect way to actually get a sense of this as well. You can search, you can look through a date range, you can select a specific network as well if you'd like to. The cool thing is also you can download the ad and also save them into your own lists on the platform. On top of this, and this is what the platform does well too, is you also have access to an ad search here. And within this ad search, the cool thing is, well, you can search pretty much anything. Here I have one filter applied, which is Google properties ads, and you have access to all their ads right there. The same thing. And the cool thing is the same. Here you can access all their ads and you can apply an extra filter and say, okay, that's cool, but I really want to have a look at the Google ads you guys have in the jewelry industry. Hey, we find some Pandora ones, but also Kimai, Pede Paola are so crazy as well. So you can get a sense of, okay, all the ads in the jewelry space or all my competitors in one place, what are they doing on Google Display? And you can get the answer just right there. All right, so that's it. That's it for the Google Ads Transparency Center. Great tool, go use it. It's going to be great. It works well for one-off analysis, I would say. It's perfect to really know what your competitors are doing. At the very same time, if you're managing or if you're competing against a lot of companies, a lot of brands, and you're looking to repeat that job every week, every 2 weeks, every month, well, Panoramata might be the best fit for you. Hit me up if you have any question. I'm available anytime. That being said, take care. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.